Here we have another pistol. This is a Model 29 Smith & Wesson presentation grade 44 Magnum, 6-inch barrel. Looking down the barrel, looking at the barrel, it is fully engraved, factory engraved. This pistol is extremely accurate, very beautiful. It feels like a python almost. We're going to shoot this today. I have shot this one. I wanted to make sure it's shot. A lot of people keep these pistols unshot, unfired. I've got Packmeyer grips on this one, and I'm going to carry it up here because we have lion trouble and bear trouble sometimes. And this one here is, I can carry it in the seat in this case very easily, and it'll stop anything that I shoot. We'll shoot 44 specials in it. Since we're only shooting targets, beautiful, beautiful pistol. We'll shoot it 6 more times. I like shooting it. Some of this brass I have loaded quite a few times and it gets a little bit deformed. Always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. Never point it at anything that you're not willing to destroy. Three-pound trigger, presentation grade, 44 Magnum. Beautiful, beautiful pistol. It even has American Eagle on it there. Thank you for watching. Please come back again, and we like sharing our videos with you. Please make comments if you would. I've run into people that I hadn't seen for years that are watching these videos now. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.